Welcome to eLearning Nuggets channel. Today we're going to see one more program in Java. The program is write a program to accept radius and find the area and circumference of a circle. So let us go to this particular program here. Okay, so please see this question here. Write a Java program to calculate area and circumference of a circle. So this program is it's given like this. Yes, so in the exams you might be given the formula or you may not be given the formula. Okay, it can be either way. So what is the formula to find the area of a circle? The area of the circle is calculated as pi into r into r. Okay, and circumference is calculated as 2 into pi into r. See, we cannot write the symbol pi or we cannot write r squared because those symbols are not available on our keyboard. So we need to expand the mathematical expression, that is area is equal to pi r squared, into a Java expression like this. Okay, so here we are using a Java expression here. So if you see here, we are using a Java expression. Okay, so you need to remember this formula. It's a simple formula. You just need to remember this. Okay, and if you observe here, the value of pi. What is the value of pi? The value of pi is pi equal to 3.14 or pi can be equal to 22/7. So here we need to know this value of pi. So once we know the value of pi, if you see this particular formula here, pi into r into r. So pi value is 3.14. So which is the unknown value here? The unknown value is your radius. So what is the value that you need to accept from the user? You need to accept the radius from the user. So here the input will be to accept radius from the user. Since we know the formula, this radius is going to be, whatever you take from the user is going to be put in this formula. And finally, what should be the output? Output is to display the area and circumference of your circle. Since we need to accept value from the user, what is the first step that we need to do? We need to first import java.util. Okay, I was telling you about this package in the previous sessions. So this contains what? This contains our scanner class in it and the methods of scanner class. So if you want to use next in, next double, you need to import this particular package. Now coming to this particular line here, after we have done this, we start with the class circle, public static void main string args. In my earlier videos I have explained in detail about all this, and here I'm going to declare the variables. So I've declared the variables here, so you can see here. Okay, okay, double radius because I want to accept the radius from the user, and then I have area. Okay, I have area here because I need to store the area. I said area is equal to pi r squared, so I need to store the area somewhere. And then I have circumference because I need to store the circumference. So after I do this, I am going to create an object of this class. So what is the name of the object I am giving? SC. Okay, the name of the class is scanner, and this is the constructor for this class. Okay, so after this, we are going to ask the user, see system.out.println, enter radius of the circle. So here I am going to say enter radius of the circle. So if you see here, after this I am going to tell, yes, radius is equal to sc dot next double. Now why have I used next double? Because I have declared the variable here as double. So this is very important. Whatever you have declared here, the same parameter has to be, it should be used here. Okay, so sc dot next double, and here I have to take only the radius. And how do I calculate the area? Area is equal to 3.14 into radius into radius. So whatever input I have taken from the user here, okay, I have taken this particular input from the user here. I'll just show you here. So this radius is what I am using here. Okay, I'm using this radius here. So this is how the program works. I take the input from the user, I use it in my formula, and after I have used, where have I stored this particular thing? So if you observe this particular thing, I can just show you here. So here, this particular thing, it contains the area. Okay, so this actually contains the area, and then this is equal to what? This particular value, that is 3.14 into radius into radius. So you can imagine this particular box. Okay, so I'll just show you this. Okay, so here now I showed you how to calculate this. So here you can imagine this particular box, and this box is called as area. I'm just writing it like this. So this area actually contains this value, whatever I have calculated. Similarly, I can calculate the circumference also. So now we have two boxes, okay, which is got area and circumference. One contains area, another contains circumference. Now I need to output this two. So where will I going to output this? So here, okay, I'm going to say system.out.println area. Again, circumference is plus circumference. So this is my final output. So let us run this program. Once I have done this particular thing, I need to compile. The shortcut key for compiling is Ctrl K. Okay, there are no errors here. So once I finish this particular thing, I come here, okay, I run the program, and then I ask the user enter the radius of the circle. So it's calculated the area for me. So when I take an input from the user, the advantage of it is you as a user, you can use any input you want. For example, I gave the radius as 10. So you may give the radius as, say, something like 37.8, because we have given a double value. Okay, then you get the area and circumference. Hope you understood this program. If you like it, please subscribe. Thank you.